Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the programming guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to use OBS Visual Camera on Umingle video chat. So the first thing you have to do is set up your browser just like this. So once you open it up and set it up, you're going to click on the search bar and you're going to search for Umingle. So once you search for Umingle, you're going to click on the website, right? And you're going to click on video. So once you click on video, they'll have to actually run a verification for you. So once it's run, you're just going to click on it and it's going to open up just like this. So once it's opened like this, the next thing you have to do is you have to click on the camera right here, and you're going to see this drop down. So you click on where it says many cam visual, click on that to bring out a drop down. Since you are using a OBS, make sure you have a OBS installed in your PC already, set up already. So you click on it just like this and you're going to see it's going to connect to your OBS. So this is my OBS right here. So how do you set it up? So once you have this app right here, you come click on where it says start visual camera, and once you do that, you go back to your Umingle app, right? And you have seen it's using the OBS visual camera already. So this is actually how to use the OBS on Umingle app. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.